Hello friends, how are you? I hope that you are in a good health as I am here by God's care. So guys, today I am here at Pampernai Lakes for the fishing competition at 15 August 2026. Friends who are enjoying participating in different fishing competition, welcome everyone. Today 6 August 2026, we are here at Pampernai Lakes to release fish into this pond in preparation for the fishing competition that will be held on 15 August 2026, which is Independence Day. So I request you friends that please join with us on 15 August 2026, which is Independence Day at here at Pampernai Lakes. So friends, today I'm bringing you this video showing the fish being released into the ponds here at Pampernai. As you can see friend, 3 pickup have arrived carrying the fish today, and we are now going to release them into this pond to prepare for the fishing competition at 15 August 2026. So guys, let's start. Hi fellow fishermen, these are not the prize fish yet. I'll show you them to you in a moment. Perlawan mentang ano penilut ya kagit terokah kan kepungan Pampernai nama roka jerong palat ka video dengan super ikan kandia bat kagit terokah ne Pampernai kalau haduk khandre kuntal tam nama kagit tambun je kidoka kumta lateno baro ikidoka kibadon hakite kali bro laitli ka balong hadu khandre kuntal tam de koleksiun perlog mentang ini play kan ka video terokah ka balong tangkap to kan dengan penilut nama roka jerong palat video terka kabalong daki kata dengan peni tang yaki neki katok neki video kita kandia desibun itu no ya kan video terka me Pampernai umrang di jala kana rek tu main rek tu main Kirkad ki bai hun sha kire dang datang kata ba mo perlawan bisa prinsip de ki do price mo perlawan ini pesuatan kini ki do kapat ba gini bang do kada tekan Hello Nam tay kolak gudut ke tidak sama untuk sini agak entu terik perlawan baik kini kadang datang ke kapal dak mau perlawan iki ka price ngin seperti isibet boleh So my friend, let me now show you the prize fish that will be used for the fishing competition on 15 August 2026. So my lovely friends, thanks you very much fellow fishermen for watching. We will meet again in another video showing the fish release or with another fishing notice. So friends, thanks you very much. This is the fish price. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Wow. 7, 8, 9. 9. Only 9. Only 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So wow, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 5, 25, 26, 27, 28, 20. 28. So next 28. Next quickly 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Oh no, 34. There's a very big fish. 35, 36. Oh no, 37, 38, 39. Wow, 39 big fish. Oh no. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Oh no, 49. Next. And next bucket. Some Huawei, some R, some Polai, some Frau, some San, some Kunriu, some Kinyeo, some Kupra, some Kundai, Riu Peo, no. Kalau bun palat chutet non, chutet non,